One Kevin says the Grammys robbed Kartel again, and reggae fans are questioning everything. Like, subscribe on Sonic Snap.
Yo, this happened before now. You remember when time Chronixx did have one of the hottest album out? Who beat him? Junior Gang, Marley.
And them will rough for your cars.
Skanking, grooving.
Go Sue, Stony Hill, Damien Jr. Gong Marley.
The Marley family beat him for the best reggae album in that year. And now Una come with somebody where we don't know, not at all. At least the Marley them have a name. Marley. You understand? But a lot of times when you hear them win something, brother, we don't know the song them where they on them album. We not play them song. So who are play on the song? Not even the regular radio station them not play the song them where Una